I'll be showing you this property here in Lipa, Batangas. Alam niyo ba kung bakit special tong bahay na to? Tara, samahan niyo ako.
This wide 712 square meter house and lot is located at Acela Village, Antipolo del Norte, Lipa City, Batangas. The property is even situated within walking distance from the gate of the village, ideal for your dream house or business. Let's now proceed inside this property. Check out this huge living room with a restroom.
Next, dito naman tayo sa kitchen.
If you're a fan of cooking, then I am certain that you'll fall in love with this area. There is also a big space on the second floor that can fit another living room before the master's bedroom.
So, meron tayo dito ang family area. Next, punta naman tayo sa master's bedroom.
There was a bathroom and a shower room in the master's bedroom. Large window.
So next, punta naman tayo sa two connecting bedroom.
There is a corridor on the other side of the room that has 3 rooms. A door divides the children's room, which also features a communal lavatory.
Next natin ang another bedroom. So, may ano siya, veranda. May closet din, may malaking mirror, and CR with bathtub. Yes. So, pupunta na tayo sa baba, sa garden. Next, ang pupuntahan naman natin ngayon is isang place dito na pwede mong pahingahan, pag-merienda. Let's go! Labas ng kitchen, nandito na yung maid's room. Ito naman ang dirty kitchen. So, dito yung mini garden natin na pwede tambayan pag hapon. Ganun. And then, meron naman tayo ditong medyo malaking area for parties na magagamit natin when may event tayo. Yun, next, sa harap naman tayo ng bahay. So, paikot lang tong property na to, pero sobrang lawak niya. That's the parking area. So guys, ito na yung kabuuan ng ating property. Inquire now!
Seize this opportunity to buy a fantastic home in a thriving community.